Hi everyone, welcome back to another unboxing. Today we're showing you guys this ring light stand. Hey guys, today we are reviewing this ring light. So check it out guys. So first off, I want to show you guys that you can actually have 3 different phones on here connected. You guys also can adjust this if you have a GoPro mount. You guys can connect to GoPro on this as well. So all of this is touch. Oh, we got to turn. So, all right, let's first show you guys the back here. So you want to turn it on the back. You can also charge devices here. So you can charge your phones, connect your phones and everything as well. It's just your standard 2-prong outlet cable. So this is all just the back here. Now we go ahead and we turn it to the front. As you guys can see, it is a large ring light. So it's definitely going to put off a nice amount of light. Let's see here. You got your color modes. Oh no, brightness. Oh, what? This is insane, guys. Look how bright this is. You got your color modes here. Color modes here. So you can see the range of color. Hopefully you guys can tell. We'll show it, better. Of course, you can make it dim. And of course, you can adjust it so it can go much higher than it is right now. All right, guys, so we have it mounted. Now, I just want to show you guys what you can do. Check this out. We can rotate our, you guys probably actually can't see that. We can rotate it up and down, move it all around. And then all we do is we just reach in with our other hand and we make this tight. And that will keep it on just like that. So let's go ahead and show you guys what it would look like without this. Oh my goodness, this is crazy. So this is what it looks like without it. Now it's not too bad, but it's grainy. The video quality is not going to be that good. Now this is with turning it on. So we press and hold the light here. Turn it on. Now we got different settings here. We can max out the brightness. So the further back you are, you want to have it brighter so you can pick up more. And let's show you guys the color difference here. So this is just the different color. You guys can kind of see it goes through that color phase. So it all depends on the lighting and the brighting. The lighting and the brighting, my best friends. So overall, this is really nice. Now, I think for color-wise, we want to do, that's kind of more so, you would want to adjust it. That's more natural, but gives a more of an orange glow. But not too bad, guys. Not too bad. I like this a lot. So it's going to come in handy for recording and for just streaming and so much more. This is a nice light, guys. I think ring light, you're definitely going to like it, guys.